Hi there, my name is Shelby Moser and I'm the principal of Neil M. Ross School right here in St. Albert. Our team of educators nurture and teach our NMR Eagles from grades kindergarten all the way through grade 6, with so many clubs to be a part of here, like our junior ATB banking program, our running club, and even our own wrestling team that competes provincially. Please join us at our virtual open house on January 21st at 6:30 p.m. If you need more information, don't hesitate to visit our school website or even call Neil M. Ross School. And if you would like to arrange a time to meet, we can do that over the phone or even virtually. I look forward to meeting everyone, even though it looks a little bit different this year. Your little eaglet will be safe to grow and learn here at Neil M. Ross School.
Dear parents and guardians, my name is Christine Sampson and I'm the principal at SisterAlphonse Academy in St. Albert. Our school offers kindergarten to grade 9 programming and is situated in the beautiful new community of Jensen Lakes. We are a new school that services kindergarten to grade 9. We are wonder-driven and have exciting programs to offer at our school. Highlights of our kindergarten program includes safety protocols in place, with options for in-person learning or the online learning pathway, learning through play approach. We are wonder-driven, inquiry-based learning, animated literacy program, balanced literacy component, as well as a home reading program. Please join us at our kindergarten virtual open house on Wednesday, January 27th at 6 p.m. Thank you for your time and consideration, and we are looking forward to meeting you soon.
Hello, my name is Nicole Baker and I'm the principal at Bertha Kennedy Catholic Elementary School located in the Lacombe neighborhood in St. Albert. We are a vibrant school that serves students from pre-K to grade 6. We offer many extracurricular opportunities for students and are pleased to offer half-day, full-day, and progressive kindergarten programs. I would love for the opportunity to showcase to you all the programming that encapsulates our warm and positive school environment. Please join us at our virtual open house on Thursday, January 28th at 6 p.m. For more information, please visit our website or call Bertha Kennedy School to arrange a time to meet virtually or by telephone.
Bonjour, my name is Christina McKinnon and I am the principal of École Father Jan. École Father Jan is a single-track French immersion Catholic elementary school that is based at the bottom of Mission Hill here in St. Albert. We have kindergarten to grade 6 students. We also house a sports academy for grades 4 to 6. Our virtual open house this year is going to be held on January 28th at 5 p.m. and we definitely hope to see you there. For further information, please access our website for École Father Jan, or you can call the school as well. We can have a virtual meet. Merci beaucoup, au revoir et bonne journée.
Welcome to St. Catherine Tekakwitha Academy, the newest elementary school in Morinville. We are so excited to welcome new families to our school. We offer programming for students in pre-K to grade 5, as well as sports academy programming in the area of hockey and cheer. We have dynamic options and advanced academic programming. We are so excited to have new families join us, and we invite you to our pre-K kinder open house that is taking place on February 3rd at 6:30 p.m. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you there.
Hello, my name is Ryan O'Gorman and I'm the principal of École Notre Dame Elementary School in Morinville. At École Notre Dame Elementary School, we are a dual-track school offering both English and French immersion programming for students kindergarten to grade 5. We are inviting new families to our own Kindergarten Expo, which will be held on January 28th at 6 p.m. For more information, please visit our website at École Notre Dame Elementary School or contact the school directly to arrange a phone consultation or virtual meeting. Take care.
Hello everyone, my name is Renee Trache and I'm the principal of Legal School. We are a pre-K to grade 9 school in the heart of Legal, Alberta, a lovely town about 40 minutes north of Edmonton. At Legal School, your pre-kindergarten or kindergarten child will receive play-based, inclusive, supportive education with experienced teachers, support staff, and therapists. Our students benefit from small classes and a real sense of community at Legal School. We all know each other and we all take care of each other. We also offer rich and diverse educational opportunities, including options like hockey, recreation, cooking, digital media and communications, and fine arts. Please join us at our virtual open house on March 4th at 6 p.m. For more information, you can visit our website, ls.gsacrd.ab.ca, or you can call us at 780-961-3791 for more information or to set up a phone call or a virtual meeting. We look forward to meeting you and to welcoming you to our Lacombe family.
Hello, my name is Helen Jackson and I'm proud to be the principal of Vittel Grandin Catholic Elementary School. Vittel Grandin, home of the Grizzlies, is a mighty little school nestled in the beautiful neighborhood of Sturgeon Heights in St. Albert. VG is an inclusive, safe, and caring learning environment. Our dedicated staff nurture each child to learn, live fully, and serve others. We offer an engaging, faith-based academic program for students in pre-kindergarten through grade 6. Students in grade 4 to 6 can participate in our Rec Academy and experience physical activity in a variety of settings. This popular program of choice weaves fun fitness activities into the school day and promotes lifelong healthy living. Please join us at our virtual open house on Wednesday, February 3rd at 6:30 p.m. We look forward to meeting you and having your little cub join our VG Grizzly family. All are welcome. For more information, please visit our school website or call our school office. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to meeting you soon.
Hello, my name is Michelle Barry, and I'm the principal at École Marie-Pauburin in St. Albert. École Marie-Pauburin is a single-track Catholic French immersion elementary school situated in the heart of St. Albert near Holy Family Parish. Passionate and highly professional teachers engage students from kindergarten to grade 6 to offer them a first-class bilingual education. We offer 3 kindergarten programs: the regular half-day program, the progressive program, and the all-day, everyday program. Altogether, EMP offers your child an educational journey that leads to excellence in bilingual education, a true gift that brings much pride. Please join us at our virtual open house on Wednesday, January 27th from 5 to 6 p.m. We look forward to hearing from you and to welcoming you to our beautiful learning community.
Welcome. My name is Marina Latosky. I am the principal of J.J. Nearing Catholic Elementary School. I'm here along with my office team. To my right, Mr. Darren Skulski, Vice Principal. To my left, Mrs. Jennifer Anderson and Mrs. Donna Cusio, our office support team. J.J. Nearing offers a number of programs including kindergarten, full day and half day, grades 1 to 6, enhanced physical activities, as well as clubs and programs to engage our students.
J.J. Nearing is an active community made vibrant by our involved parent volunteers.
Please join us for our kindergarten virtual open house on January 19th from 5:30 to 7.
For more information about our open house, please visit our J.J. Nearing website.
We look forward to meeting you and getting to know your child over the next year.
Hello and welcome. My name's Alan Mendick and I'm the principal of Albert Lacombe Catholic Elementary School in St. Albert. We're located in the beautiful Grandin neighborhood in a park-like setting that offers a wide range of learning and on-site recreational opportunities for our students. We're proud to offer a vibrant English track kindergarten to grade 6 program to students within our school community. We offer regular and progressive kindergarten programs and a sports academy for our students in grade 4 to 6. We are truly blessed to have a dynamic and welcoming faculty at our school to serve and care for the needs of our students. Our small school community creates a welcoming environment that fosters a sense of belonging, excellence, accountability, and respect that contributes to a safe and comfortable learning environment for all of our students. There are many ways in which students can become involved in our school communities, such as intramurals, our bear dens, spirit days, liturgies, and ongoing service programs linked to our faith. I'd like to invite you to our kindergarten open house on Thursday, January 28th at 6 p.m., where you can learn more about our school programming and how your student can start their K-12 journey with Greater St. Albert Catholic Schools. For more information, please visit our school website or call Albert Lacombe Catholic Elementary School to arrange a time to meet either by phone or virtually. I look forward to meeting you at our open house on the 28th. Have a great day.